Okay, so I'm done with the gumbo. I did add some bay leaves, as you see there. I did add a couple bay leaves. You remove them. I'm going to leave them in there a little bit longer, but I want to hurry up and plate this. This is what I'm having for breakfast. And what I did was I made my rice. So I'm just going to add probably just a spoon of rice, of my brown rice. Oh, and also I added my Zatarain's gumbo filet. You add it like about 20 minutes before. I almost forgot to put that in. So I put that in at the same time as I put my bay leaves. As long as you have it in there, I mean, that's what makes the gumbo, is a filet. And it's sassafras. And I'm going to go ahead, and plate this without the bay leaves. So I'm going to get it towards the edge here. Yeah, you want to get some sauce in there. Lots of sauce. Lots of that nice, yummy sauce. I mean, gumbo is just not gumbo without the sauce. And you want to clean your plate. Take a little towel, a clean towel, nice clean towel, and you just wipe the edges off like so, okay? And then go ahead and you add your parsley for decoration. That's a flat leaf parsley. At first I didn't really like it. I had to acquire a taste for flat leaf parsley. And basically, there you have it. And the main ingredients I have is that you have to put, you don't have to, but it just brings a nice flavor because there's vinegars in there. And so if you add a little bit of the ketchup and then the Worcestershire sauce, you have to have that. I mean, that's what makes the gumbo. And then the filet towards the end. Okay, so there's my gumbo. This is my vegetarian, vegan, possibly vegan gumbo. And I have my brown rice. And I have it, you know, I have other vegetables in it, and it's my nutritional rice, which is yummy. And then there you have your vegan, beautiful vegan gumbo. It's delicious. Yum. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, so happy Sunday or whatever day it is on in your country or your area. All right, have a good one. Bye.